This is the TrueMan by BOLA, the ultimate training machine for high-performance cricketers. Its LED screen provides a BOLA body shape animation synchronized with the delivery of the ball, ensuring pre-delivery trigger movements are true to life. Using web browser-based control compatible on most Wi-Fi enabled devices, the TrueMan is programmable with 30 ball sequences and comes with 10 different animation options as standard. It's incredibly easy to set for line, length, swing and pace. It's also fully programmable, so if you want to recreate specific styles of bowler, you can. The brightness of these animations is completely adjustable, rendering the TrueMan suitable for both indoor and outdoor use.